Good morning, guys. So right now we are here at Gold Spot 15 minutes chart. So let's go to Indicators tab and let's search for Gainzalgo V2 Alpha. Gainzalgo V2 Alpha. So this one, guys. So let's add this on our chart and we'll wait for the signal. Oh, alright. Gainzalgo V2 Alpha told us to buy. So let's put a position here and let's buy 500. 500. And we'll wait for the results.